Hi everyone, welcome to Sleepypod's video channel. Today we'll be demonstrating the Sleepypod Go Bag. Sleepypod Go Bag is built for pet travel, but clever enough for human travel. Easily organized pet essentials and yours with this go anywhere bag that's practical yet stylish. A tapered profile makes the Sleepypod comfortable for crossbody carrying, while the streamlined grab handle amplifies on-the-go convenience. Travel is made easier by 2 included mini packing cubes and an insulated food pouch. Top zip with double zipper pulls, adjustable shoulder strap with comfort padding, single zipper front pocket for easy access items like your boarding pass and ID. 2 gusseted side pockets for items like beverage bottles or your phone. Utility ring for hanging items like a leash or flashlight. A structured design with flat base for stability. In the padded main compartment, you'll find 2 small pockets for smaller items, 1 large pocket for essential documents, computers, or tablet. Lanyard for hanging items like keys. The Go Bag's interior is water-repellent and can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Use a damp cloth to clean the luggage-grade ballistic nylon exterior, now, you are ready for travel. Safe travels! Find more information about Sleepypod Go Bag and other Sleepypod products at sleepypod.com.